Here's a fun, useful project. Very simple little light table that you can build with stuff off the shelf from a couple of different stores. Take a minute to have a look at this video. You'll find yourself having a very useful little light table. There is a really simple way to make a light tracing box. Now what I have here is a display stand, right? It's a plastic display stand which has a foot like that. If you set up, it doesn't show you very well, but does that, right? And has a double layer so that you can actually split this thing and put a piece of paper inside or anything inside. So that is the start. Now this is a little different than the one I had before or that I showed you, so I'll show you that one in a minute. So hold on. Here's another one. It's a little bit different. It's the same size, that is, the image area here is the same size. However, the foot, the thing that the rests on, is on the long side. Now that works out really well for making a cheap. As I told you before, it separates here, right? You can see that little plastic comes out. Now I put a blank piece of paper in there to act as a diffuser. And because of the foot's on this side, it can rest there quite nicely. So, and inside, I've glued, just with some hot glue, a little under-the-counter fluorescent bulb. It works out really well. So I will turn this on, like so, and you can see that I have kind of a neat little display here. Now, if I wanted to trace something off, here's an example here. It's just a wing, right? So I can trace that off and throw a piece of blank paper over top of it. As you can see, now I can see the image, and I can just trace this off with a pen or a pencil. I might just use a pencil, right? You can easily trace that off. I would stick this down with some tape so it doesn't move at all. This is a super cheap, portable little way to have an easily stored light table. Anyway, have a great day and keep on drawing. Many thanks for watching. There are many more Frugal Studio projects coming. Subscribe to my channel and get notice of upcoming Frugal Studio videos. Give a thumbs up and take a minute to leave a comment. If you have any ideas you'd like to share, send them to me. I'd enjoy hearing from you. By all means, share this video. Anyway, you have a great day and keep on doing whatever you do in your Frugal Studio.